Hello, everyone. My name is Emily, and I'm the Program Manager for the National Student Data Corps, and welcome to the NSDC Data Science Flashcard video series. This series will break down data science topics in simple terms that you can leverage throughout your data science journey. Today, we'll be talking about FAIR data principles. In the ever-expanding realm of data, ensuring that information is findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable is more critical than ever. Enter the FAIR principles. In 2016, the FAIR Guiding Principles for Scientific Data Management and Stewardship were born, aiming to improve the way we deal with digital assets. These principles emphasize something intriguing: machine actionability. Why? Because our data world is evolving rapidly, and we're relying more on computational systems than ever before. So let's dive into what the F stands for. Findable. It all starts here, finding data. For humans and machines, data should be easy to locate. Machine-readable metadata is key for automatic discovery. Data are findable if metadata are assigned a globally unique and persistent identifier. The data are described with rich metadata. Metadata include the identifier of the data they describe, and metadata are registered or indexed in a searchable resource. Now, the A, which stands for accessible. Once you've found your data, you need to know how to access it, possibly with authentication or authorization. Data are accessible if metadata are retrievable by their identifier using a standardized communications protocol. The protocol is open, free, and universally implementable. The protocol allows for authentication and authorization procedures, and metadata remains accessible even if the data are no longer available. Now the I, which stands for interoperable. Data needs to work together. They must integrate with other data and play nicely with applications and workflows. Data are interoperable if metadata uses a formal, accessible, shared, and broadly applicable language. Metadata use vocabularies that follow FAIR principles, and metadata includes qualified references to other metadata. Lastly, the R stands for reusable. The ultimate goal is to optimize data reuse. Data and metadata should be well described to be replicated and combined in various contexts. Data are reusable if metadata is richly described with accurate and relevant attributes. Metadata are released with a clear and accessible data usage license. Metadata are associated with detailed provenance. And metadata meet domain-relevant community standards. The FAIR principles are the compass guiding us in the vast data landscape. They make data findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable while ensuring that computational systems can handle it efficiently. As data evolves, remember these principles to navigate the data universe effectively and ethically. We welcome you to follow along with the rest of the NSDC Data Science Flashcard video series to learn more about the data science pipeline, data science ethics, and additional topics to support your journey.